Good morning, children. Today we are discussing our new lesson in our social studies, sixth lesson, calendar. Calendar. Look at this calendar once. A calendar shows us the days and the months of a year. It starts upon the generally January 1st to December 31st, right? And it starts from first day of the January and ends at the last day of the December. Children, calendar tells us major events during the year, number of working days, the number of holidays, the days and the dates of each month. So children, I want to explain deeply about this calendar. Look at this calendar, children. What is calendar? You see days written in some fashion and calendar groups days into week, weeks into month and months into year. Each day is different calendar facts. There are 12 months in a year. Months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. When all days are counted in a year, it sums up to be 365 days each month. Is divided into weeks. 1 week has 7 days from Monday to Sunday. Each month has 30 or 31 days. Only February has 28 days. Do you know in the leap year there is one extra day that is added in the month of February. Therefore, whole year has 366 days. In the leap year, 366 days. Normal year, 365 days. Okay, children? Now, did you understand this calendar? From January to December months are there. From that, we have 365 days will be come. So, 366 when it's come, it will come on leap year. Okay. Now, in the page number 41, see, use passes of moon to measure time. In the previous days, they are observing moon passes time. During the ancient times, people used to observe and prepare a chart on the passes of the moon from new moon to full moon to observe time. For that, they are observing new moon to full moon. These were called lunar calendars. Some such calendars have been found by archaeologists. Here observe, children, in our textbook, see, tomorrow is my birthday. One child is telling like this. Yeah, tomorrow is my birthday. I will get many gifts. I will invite all my friends, cut a big car-shaped cake and have a great fun. Here one boy is telling about his birthday. So when you are doing any days, any birthdays or Father days or Mother days, or Republic Day, anything we have to maintain with calendar only. So I want to explain a calendar and its importance. Many events happen in our lives in a year, right? We may not remember all of them if we do not note them down. A calendar is a chart or series of pages showing the days, weeks and months of a particular year. Thus, we note down important days and events in a calendar. A calendar helps us to plan and organize our lives in a better way. So many things we'll get from the calendar. So many days we know from the calendar and we have to maintain our life with the calendar only. Special events in the family. Page number 42, see, children. Ankit is studying in class 3. He uses a calendar to note down the birthday of his sister, his close friends and relatives. He wants to note down the birthdays of sisters and friends and relatives. He also notes down his parents and grandparents' birthdays and marriage anniversaries. He highlights special days such as Mother's Day, Father's Day and Teacher's Day on the calendar. He likes to celebrate all these important days with his family and friends. So observe, children, here Ankit is maintain one calendar for the days of special days, birthdays and marriage anniversaries. So we are all depending on calendar and time also. In the previous lesson, time we discussed, that is also very important, and calendar also we are maintaining our days. Days will be going on like that, telling that is only maintained with calendar. Okay, children, I hope you all are understand. If you have any doubts in this lesson, message me. Next topics I will continue in the next class. Thank you children. Bye bye. Have a great day.